Hello, my name's Cerys and I'm about to show you the day in a life of a politics student at Cardiff University. So I'm in third year currently. I do politics and journalism, but everything today that I'm doing is all politics. I don't have any journalism lectures or anything. So yeah, I'm going to kick it off now. I've woken up quite early. It's about 7 a.m, which, trust me, I don't always wake up that early, but today I've got a really busy day and I have a shift at work that starts at 8, so I need to quickly get ready. I work at the BBC as a junior researcher, so I think it's a 3-hour shift today, yeah. And then, yeah, I will show you the rest of my day and bring you along with me. So I'm just arriving at work. BBC building's right in the centre of town. Cardiff Central Station is over there. So yeah, I'm about to go in and start my shift. So I'm just walking through town now. I just finished my shift at work and now I'm going to meet my friends for lunch. So I've just had a really nice lunch with my friends and now walking to my politics lecture past the castle, which is just behind me. It's only about a 15-minute walk to my lecture, so yeah, it won't be long. This lecture's from what we called Justice, Legitimacy and International Law, which I really enjoy. So yeah, I'm gonna head there now. So I'm just walking through the John Castle building now. They've got quite a nice cafe in here, which is quite good. A lot of people do work in here and sit in here between lectures. This is the room where my lecture is going to be. I am 10 minutes early, which is actually really good because it means I can properly show you the room. I don't know how many this lecture hall sits, but this is quite typical of like a room for second and third year. In first year you'll normally be in bigger lecture halls just because everyone does the same sort of modules, but when you get to specialise in second and third year and pick what you want to do, then you'll be in slightly smaller rooms like this. And yeah, now I'm just going to wait. I might grab a drink for the cafe that I just showed you and wait till it's actually time for my lecture and come back in here. Just finished my lecture, so I've come in Green Shoots, which is a uni cafe, to do some work with my friend Amelia. Say hi! So I've just left Green Shoots, just finished doing work, and now walking down past the SU to get back home. It's about 5-10 minutes walk, and I'm going to head home now, get changed, chill for a little bit, and then head to the gym. So I'm with my housemate now. Say hi. Hi. This is Lauren. We're going to go to a gym. We've been home for a bit. It's about 5ish now. So I just cooked my dinner. I've got prawn, egg, noodle, curry ramen, which will be very nice post gym, and also because it's freezing outside, so this will be very comforting. Okay, now we're just having a bit of a cosy chill. My friends come over to watch some Motherland, so yeah, we're just gonna chill now. So I've just been chilling downstairs with one of my friends who've come over and some of my housemates. Finished that now. I need to start getting ready because I'm actually going out into town with some of my other friends. I think we're just going to go around a couple of bars in town because it's been a while since I've done that, so that should be fun. So I need to get ready now, do my hair and everything, and then yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film whilst we're out because it's probably going to be quite noisy, but I will try and get a few clips and show you, and then yeah, I'll talk to you when I'm back. I've just got home from drinks with my friends, got straight in my dressing gown as you can see. It's probably about midnight right now, so yeah, trying to be a bit quiet. But that's been my day in the life. It's been quite a busy day, but a fun one. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.